Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of GearHeadMan. We're going to have take a closer look at 5 new diecast cars that I've acquired in the last week. Some are pretty cool. I think they're all pretty cool. So we're going to take a closer deep dive into each one. Well, there are 4 pickup trucks, pretty much, one type or another. And then the final car is going to be a Shelby GT500. Pretty cool. So let's get started and let's take a look. Alright, this is a pretty cool little pickup. It's a 1/64 scale. It's a 1973 Chevy pickup. No bed, and has a shark's mouth painted on it. Kind of has a World War II fighter plane feel. I really like when they do that. I got a Mustang like that. I got a Dodge Charger like that. Pretty cool. Take a little closer look at it here. Really, the detailing is spot on. Really enjoy how it looks and their dedication to accuracy. Pretty accurate. In real life, I don't know why you would take the bed off. That back end is just a little light. Especially if you got any horsepower under the hood. It's going to not grab very well, not get too much traction in real life. That's okay, I guess, for a 1/64 scale car. The engine's pretty spot on for detailing as well. This is one of my favorite cars I've gotten in the last few weeks. It's a 1956 Ford F100. It's done up like a farm truck. And we'll take a good look at it inside the packaging and then we'll unbox it. And there we go. Take a nice close deep dive on this thing. I got a couple F100s in my collection, in particular to the F-Series Ford pickup, or partial, I should say. Detailing seems to be good on this as well. Now, this is my first fire vehicle in my collection. It's a 2018 Dodge pickup. It is painted up. Paint scheme is for the New York Fire Department, FDNY, and it's spot on. I like the detailing. I like the paint, the decals, branding, I guess would be the correct term. Need to get it out of its packaging and take a closer look. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It has a little crane attached to it, so it's kind of a crane truck. Not like an engine or a ladder truck or something. It's still part of the fire department. That's the different spec for the vehicle. Alright, this is the 1960 era Ford Econoline pickup truck. Pretty cool, and this is packaging is the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. So that's kind of cool too. Maybe I shouldn't be opening it, but I am. I'm going to take it out, put it on display, group it up with some of my other pickups. Go ahead and get it open so we can take a better look at it. I understand the pickups are a little bit more rarer than the vans are. Alright, this is a 2008 Shelby GT500 KR, King of the Road, and this is the same year of Shelby that they used for the new kit in the 2008 relaunch of Knight Rider. Same exact car, but you know, the one they used in Knight Rider was supposed to be this car, but it was just a standard GT with the correct badging on. And this is kind of the bonus since we did the 4 pickups. Figure we end up with a nice Shelby GT500 KR. And this thing is spot on, highly detailed. This thing I like about the Shelby American diecast cars. I bought this car at Shelby American in Las Vegas here.